withdrawing money from Snapchat to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access Snap Cash. Swipe down on the camera screen to access your profile. Look for the Snap Cash option or the wallet icon, which will take you to your payment settings. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, select the option to add a payment method. Enter your bank account details as prompted, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 4. Choose the amount. Once your bank account is linked, navigate to your Snap Cash balance. Select the option to withdraw funds and enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a notification once the transfer is complete, which can take a few business days to reflect on your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from Snapchat to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult Snapchat's help center for further assistance.